Have you ever found yourself reading through notes or a textbook multiple times, feeling like you understand everything, only to draw a blank when trying to remember it later? It is a common frustration for many students, often leading to endless rereading that does not quite stick. The most effective active recall study methods involve actively retrieving information from your memory rather than passively rereading or reviewing. This means making your brain work to pull out what it has learned, which significantly strengthens your understanding and retention of the material. Active recall works because it mimics the actual testing process your brain goes through during an exam. When you retrieve information, you are not just seeing it again. You are rebuilding the neural pathways associated with that memory. This effort tells your brain that this information is important and needs to be stored more robustly, making it easier to access later. To put active recall into practice, you can start with several practical methods. First, create flashcards, either physical or digital, and quiz yourself regularly. Do not just flip through them. Try to recall the answer before looking. Second, after reading a section of your textbook or notes, close the book and try to summarize everything you just learned in your own words, either by speaking aloud or writing it down. This is sometimes called the blurting method. Third, use practice questions from your textbook or online resources. If none are available, try creating your own questions based on the material. Finally, try to teach the concept to an imaginary student or a friend, as explaining it to someone else forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps in your own understanding. An insider tip for maximizing active recall is to combine it with spaced repetition. This involves revisiting material at increasing intervals over time, such as reviewing it 1 day later, then 3 days later, then a week later, and so on. This strategic timing prevents forgetting and reinforces learning exactly when your memory starts to fade. It might feel harder than just reading, but this struggle during retrieval is precisely what makes the learning stick so much better, changing the way your brain forms and consolidates memories. By consistently applying active recall methods, you are not just memorizing facts. You are building a deeper, more interconnected understanding of the subject matter. This active engagement during your study sessions will lead to better long-term retention, greater confidence in your knowledge, and ultimately, improved performance on your exams, transforming your study habits into powerful learning tools.